Main interface introduction. After startup, the main interface is displayed as follows. The icon in the top right corner for network settings. A small cloud icon will appear when connected successfully. Next to it are function settings, centering curve settings, main interface icon. Use the left and right arrows to select the desired centering curve. The centering time, maximum temperature, and the real-time voltage and current will be shown below. The preheat button at the bottom can be adjusted as needed. The upper mid area shows the device status, remaining centering time, current temperature, and the real-time centering curve. Button on the right side include door open, pause, door close, start heating, and stop heating. System settings. System time and UTC offset update automatically according to your local time zone. Number of heater uses automatically based on actual furnace usage. For the user password, you can enable the password function to prevent unauthorized operations. Pay attention. After setting the password, return and save the settings. Password verification will be required for any subsequent module operations. You may turn off this function if it is not needed. For network setting, search for the nearby Wi-Fi networks. Enter the password. Click Connect. The connection is successful when connected is displayed. For updated MCU and verification code generation, relevant operations will be explained separately. How to update the control board firmware. Method 1. Remote update via network. First, enter the system settings to ensure the network is connected. When there is a firmware update available, the background will automatically pop up a prompt. Click Update MCU. And after the update is completed, turn off and restart the device. Method 2. Manual update via USB drive. Download the firmware upgrade program to the root directory of the USB drive. Insert it into the device's USB port. Enter the system settings. Click Update MCU. Wait for it to complete, then turn off the restart the device. How to update the touchscreen program. Method 1. Remote update via network. After the device is connected to the internet and an update is sent remotely, a pop-up will appear on the screen. Just click Confirm. Then shut down and restart. Method 2. Manual update via USB drive. Download the touchscreen update program to the root folder of USB drive. Plug it into the device's USB port. Then shut down and restart. Today, we are introducing the temperature setting of the Zirconia repeat centering furnace. The key parameters include chamber opening temperature, chamber door lift distance, chamber door fully open temperature, temperature calibration, preheat temperature, lower temperature limit value, upper temperature limit value. Based on the zirconia material we used, we set when the furnace temperature reaches 900 Celsius degree, the chamber door will open slightly about 50 mm to allow repeat cooling. When the temperature drops to 300 Celsius degree, the chamber door will fully open. This date can be modified according to the materials you choose. The equipment is factory calibrated before delivery, so no additional calibrations is required under normal conditions. However, if heating elements are replaced, recalibration will be necessary. Follow us for more insights on Zirconia Sintering technology and equipment operation. Temperature curve settings. Enter the temperature curve setting. As you can see from the screen, the device supports up to 32 curves, which can be enabled or disabled as needed. Remember to return and save each change. In the detailed setting, you can configure time and temperature for up to 15 segments. The maximum temperature is 1600 Celsius degree. For the Pro version, the heating rate per segment must not exceed 200 Celsius degree. For example, as this curve, heating from 0 Celsius degree to 800 Celsius degree in 4 minutes is allowed. In segment 2, heating from 800 to 1600 Celsius degree another 4 minutes is allowed. Setting the second segment shorter than 4 minutes is invalid and will damage the equipment. Time and temperature must be integers. Zero, negative values and decimals are not permitted. Today, let's show you the language setting of our Zirconia Sintering furnace. First, click the setting. Choose the language setting. The Sintering furnace is equipped with 10 language modes, including Chinese, English, Japanese, German, and Korean and Russian and so on. After select the appropriate language modes, I will choose English and return. Saving the setting. The entire interface will display to corresponding language. Device information. Device information including device name, SA number, manufacturing date, first startup time, cumulative sintering count, startup count, and app software version, control board software version. Record query. This section includes 3 modules: history query, warning records, and communication settings. History and warning records are the most commonly used. In history query, select any sintering record to view its curve and can export the sintering report. Warning records help check the equipment fault occurred during sintering. Preheating. Enter the temperature setting page to set the preheating temperature. The factory default preheating temperature is 400 Celsius degree, which can be customized according to actual production requirements. Save the setting after modification. Return to the main interface and start preheating. The furnace door can be opened or closed during preheating. The main screen displays the preheating process in real time. After preheating, manually start the sintering program. The heating system skips the low temperature heating phase and heats up directly from preheating temperatures. With the preheating duration automatically deducted by the system. After sintering completes and the furnace door is fully opened, the device will automatically activate preheating once the internal furnace temperature drops to the preset preheating value. Manually turn off preheating if it is no longer required. How to clean the furnace chamber? Before each sintering cycle, check inside the furnace chamber for any foreign objects. If you find any objects, gently remove them with tweezers. To avoid damaging the heating elements, for light dust or debris, use a brush to clean in a circular motion. Then vacuum out the residue. Furnace temperature calibration procedure. Tools required: calibration ring, tweezers, vernier caliper, temperature reference table. Place the calibration ring at the center of the center plate using tweezers. Close the furnace door. Then open the temperature curve menu and select the temperature calibration. Sintering curve. The OY7 PRO default calibration setting are 10 minutes ramp to 1580 Celsius degree, followed by a 60 minutes hold. Select the temperature calibration curve and start the sintering program. After sintering program ends, the furnace door opens. Wait for the calibration ring to cool completely. Then remove it by tweezers and place it on the cooling plate. Use a vernier caliper to measure its diameters. Check the temperature reference table to find the corresponding temperature, which should be 101 Celsius degree. Go back to the temperature settings. Select the temperature settings. Select the temperature calibration. Change the value to 1601. Return and save it. Finally, return the temperature settings screen. The displayed temperature difference now shows 21 Celsius degree. Calibration is complete.